Good morning! Happy Thursday, everyone! Welcome my vlog! How are you all over the world, people? Kumusta naman kayo? Mga kasisi, friends and followers, kumusta? Kumusta ang Thursday niyo ngayon? Sa akin, herein, alam niyo na kung nasaan ako ngayon. O, walaan niyo. Diba? No need to explain. Good morning, people of the Philippines. I hope God is with you now. All of us. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.